So we're setting up the dip downs.
Let's swim.
We got a good 6-7 inches of ice right there. Crappie. There we go.
Ooh,
That's a nice crappie. Hold it up.
I'm gonna put one there, then I'll put one here.
Setting up the live scope. That one on the Rapala. I told you I saw them on the live scope.
You did?
I saw them on the live scope. There we go, big crappie. Nice crappie. Cut on the tip down over there.
There we go. Oh, Jeff! You got it? Go back in the hole.
Tip down.
Go get it. You don't want to just grab it full slow, you can just pull off. So you either have two choices. You can either grab here and kind of tug it.
It's like a walleye right there.
Or it's easier to do that. We will, we're waiting till Hutchinson is over, then we'll go there. Yeah, the wonder drive.
Just got one off the tip ups.
Quarter by you actually got Flip.
The bite is slow now. It's like 10. We got the morning bite. So we got these crappies over here. But right now it's like 10. And we got much bites.
We got it!
Big one right there. Nice crappie.
Here.
Nice crappie.
I got it! We're not jigging off!